Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the new Spring Fest update in Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so as you can see, it is Spring Fest, and we are going to get a little cutscene because this is my first Spring Fest on this account. For some reason I don't have it on my main account. I'm getting that sorted out with the Prodigy support. But if we go up to the sign, we can see that there's the awards, which I got all of the awards right, and then we have the Easter eggs. So if we can go over, we can see that there are flower works, flower doublet, quill and scroll, and clove rat. So now I'm going to put on the fox mask and stuff so that we can go into the areas. Okay, so they were supposed to have updated the characters, but they haven't, so let's see if these shops have been updated at all. They probably have not, because Prodigy doesn't do that. So yeah, nothing. You can buy this buddy from Donsoro now. Nothing here. And then you can also buy Flower Works. And now we are going to go into the bunny side. So I'm assuming they will have the exact same stuff, so we'll talk to Harriet Hood, go through all of her speak. I don't know why we just had to go back. So let's talk to Harriet Hood. So here we go. Nothing, but you can get the flower crown from here. Nothing. Okay, so the flower bush mount is unobtainable. But yeah, I'm going to hack this account so that I can show you the stuff. So for some reason it says the flower doublet has a missing asset, and if we put it on, it just makes us naked. So we're gonna keep looking. Oh wait, one of them's a buddy. It says missing asset for this one too, but we can't actually see this one. And then we also have the Flower Works, which don't have a missing asset. So there's the book and quill one, or just the paper and quill. Then what we will do, as we will also read this, it says a medieval style outfit sure to dazzle lords and ladies at court. Let your fashion blossom obtain during Spring Fest. And then we also have this one, enchanted to write poems about your adventures and heroic acts obtained during Spring Fest. And now we are going to go ahead and see what a flower work looks like. So we're going to go ahead and head down here, and there we go. So it looks pretty decent. Yeah, it looks cool. So now we are going to look at the pets. And for some reason, the two pets also have missing assets. But if we put them on, it's Vermeadow and Clove Rat. Clove Rat is the mouse one, and Vermeadow is the gopher-looking one. So Vermeadow says, Vermeadow's gigantic front teeth can jump through a tree trunk in a single bite. These teeth are always growing and need to be worn down by jumping on things. And then Cloverat says, the powerful teeth of Cloverat haven't fully grown in yet, but they stay up on their tails to look bigger and more dangerous. So yeah, not sure why they have missing assets, but yeah. And also, if we go into this battle, there should be a new background if our game doesn't crash. I don't know if this is the account that has battle crash. Oh wait, this account doesn't have the battle update. That's what it is. But if you do have the battle update, then you will have a different looking background, which looks kind of weird, because there's like signs and stuff in the way of your battle. But there we go, we finished the battle, and we have this new this new game awards background, and your reward will be 10 magic eggs. and then they're going to advertise your membership. But yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. I will let you guys know if you don't have membership. I will probably be making a video in a few days on why you don't. But anyways, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed.